And this is the relation which will convert a normal value into logarithm value. So decibel is used to compare two power levels on a logarithm basis. So it was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. So for giving credit, we are going to use that his name as the unit for Bell, unit for logarithm. So when you say it is Bell, BEL, not double L, BEL, it indicates it is just a normal logarithm. G is equal to log P2 by P1 or log to the base 10 P2 alone. If you want to convert any power into a Bell scale, just take normal log to the base 10. So usually log will be natural log, you call it as ln. It is logarithm to the base e. But here in all decibels, we will be taking logarithm to the base 10. So converting normal number into Bell, I'll be using log to the base 10. If I'm multiplying that answer by 10, it becomes decibels. So 10 decibel will be equal to 1 Bell. Okay, so you know this log P2 by P1 is Bell. So 10 times decibel value will be equal to 1 Bell. So this is the relation between decibel and Bell. And we will not use Bell, we will be using decibel for understanding because it is multiplied by 10. So the number what you get will be a factor of 10. So it will be very easy to draw and understand the behavior of amplifiers. Okay, so we will not be using Bell, we will be using decibel. The only difference is in Bell, I'll be just taking the logarithm and leaving it. In decibel, I will take logarithm to the base 10 and I'll multiply the final answer by 10. That is the difference between Bell and decibel.